Sorry I didn't get a video up this week, but Hurricane Florence decided to stop by for a visit in our great state of North Carolina. And as you can see, it did quite a bit of flooding to my home, but luckily it did not get inside. But it was quite a scary moment when I didn't know if I had to leave or not and not know what to come back to. But I know there are still people dealing with it, and my thoughts and prayers are with them, with all the people that are still dealing with the flood and all the waters of Florence. Alright, let's jump into this week's recipe, which is pepperoni chicken. It's very easy, little to no preparation is needed, and so let's check out what all you need to do. So I decided to check out this new sauce, Ragu Simply. What caught my eye is it had no sugar added on it, because a lot of these sauces add a ton of sugar. This one was only maybe a half a cup of for a half a cup, it was 70 calories and 2.5 grams of fat, and it had only a total sugar of 6 grams with 0 added sugars. It was kind of high in sodium. I didn't notice that until after the fact. It was 520 milligrams of sodium, which I feel like is kind of high, but it is good for, you know, a quick meal instead of having to make your own sauce. If you can make your own sauce, that's fantastic. But all the ingredients were very natural. There wasn't a lot of added ingredients, and it tasted very good. I was quite surprised, but it was very tasty. All you'll need is 4 chicken breasts and place them in a pan. And what I usually do is put a little sauce on the bottom of the pan and then put my chicken breast in, and then pour the remaining sauce on top. And just make sure that all chicken breasts are covered completely. And set your oven at 350 degrees. And after you've covered your chicken with all the sauce, I usually put some tinfoil over it and let it cook for about 40 minutes at 350 degrees. Next, you add the good stuff. After the 40 minutes, now you can add the pepperoni and cheese. I just cover the chicken completely with pepperoni. You can use turkey pepperoni or lower sodium pepperoni. I didn't do either this time, I just used regular, but cover it completely with pepperoni and cheese and keep it uncovered and put it back in the oven for about 20 minutes. You can even put it on broil to get the cheese that, you know, pretty golden color and a little kind of crispy, but whatever you like. I just put it over top some zucchini noodles. You can do spaghetti squash or regular noodles, whatever you like. You can also add your favorite pizza toppings. What are your favorite pizza toppings? You can just let me know in the comments below. Mine are, I like bell pepper, onions, and mushrooms, so you can even add that to make it more pizza-like. Well, if you like this video, make sure you hit subscribe, and thanks for watching and have a great day. Thanks.